Namaskaram everyone. So I found some volunteers here chilling around. Yes, the house Mahashivratri for you.
Actually, it is going very well.
Your name first and where you're from.
Okay. I'm Suchetana and I'm from West Bengal, and I'm here for volunteering. And what to say about it? I'm enjoying it. I'm very much enjoying it. I'm at dining place at Nalanda Ground, and
Spicy or non-spicy?
spicy. When I came here, one akka she asked me what I like, and then I told that I like spicy. She told me then go at spicy food, and then she told me then go to wherever you like. After that, I am only serving there.
Okay, now we talk to Anna. He looks like a hardcore yogi.
Yeah, hi, I'm from Trichy. My name is Hariharan. I'm doing volunteering in both sections, in IVR and dining.
What is IVR?
That's called for Rudraksha making, they will call for, we need to give so many details about them. While attending the calls, I feel so happy because they are very innocent asking there, I'm having this much problem, this much they are telling. It's very crazy to answer for that type of peoples. And while doing it, it's volunteering, I gone for Wellingri, my leg is very pain, but in that time situation also I need to volunteering, but it's heavy sunlight, there is no issue in that. I am very happy to do at volunteering in Isha Foundation. Thank you.
So now we'll go to the lady who seems to be lost in her own world.
என் பேர் வந்து இந்துமதி. நான் திருச்சியிலேருந்து வரேன். இதான் ஃபஸ்ட் டைம் நான் வந்து வாலண்டியரிங் பண்ணுறது. எல்லா பீப்புள்ஸ்க்கும் வந்து சர்வ் பண்ணுறது ரொம்ப வந்து ஒரு மனசுக்கு நிறைவாக இருக்குது. அவ்வளோ இந்த பிளேஸே ரொம்ப அமைதியாக இருக்குது. தியானலிங்கெல்லாம் போடுறப்ப இந்த உலகமே ரொம்ப அமைதியாக இருக்கிற மாதிரி ஒரு நிறைவான ஒரு